Celebrate STEAM has inspired me because when I saw the different exhibits, I was like, oh, I think I can do that. When I saw the robot dog, I thought it was very interesting and cool.
The way I seen her eyes light up, I already knew she was going to be driven and focused on that. And her teacher surprised her with a complete dog that we had to actually put together ourselves, her and I. At that point, she was just intrigued with the whole concept of the robot dog.
What made me decide to build my own was I wanted to see how they work. No one ever told me that I was too young, but if someone did, I would try anyway.
Once Aria's robot was completed, she took it upon herself to show her class, and she instructed them on how she completed the whole task. She also was able to enter some contests, which she placed first in most of them. I just encourage parents, you have to make the time and take the time to invest in your kids. Even if you think you don't have the time, or even if you think your kid might not get anything out of it, because you never know what they might want to be involved in. I didn't think Aria would be as intrigued as she was.
I would tell them, you can do it and try your best.